Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Section 04. Command Line Interfaces. You will dive into the world of command line tools for interacting with AWS services. The primary focus is on the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, a powerful tool that lets you manage your AWS resources directly from your terminal or command prompt. With the AWS CLI, you can perform a wide range of tasks such as launching and managing EC2 instances, creating and managing S3 buckets, configuring security settings with IAM, and much more. It's a versatile tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks, manage your AWS resources more efficiently, and integrate AWS functionality into your scripts and applications. In addition to the AWS CLI, you will also learn about other CLI options, such as the AWS tools for PowerShell, which provides templates for managing AWS services from PowerShell scripts, and the AWS SDKs for various programming languages. These tools offer alternative ways to interact with AWS services, giving you flexibility in how you manage your AWS environment based on your preferences and programming language of choice. Overall, this section will equip you with the knowledge and skills to use command line interfaces to interact with AWS services, empowering you to manage your AWS resources more effectively and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.